Somewhere inside your skull, right now, there is a piece of plastic. Not metaphorically, literally. Shards and fragments, some smaller than a red blood cell, sitting inside your brain tissue. In 2024, researchers autopsied human brains and found an average of about 7 grams of plastic in each one. 7 grams is roughly the weight of a plastic spoon. Your brain, the most protected organ in your body, sealed behind a barrier designed to keep out toxins, has plastic woven into it anyway. Here's how it gets past the guard. You eat it, you drink it, you breathe it. Bottled water can contain hundreds of thousands of plastic particles per liter, many small enough to slip straight through your gut wall into your bloodstream. Dust in your home carries fibers shed from carpets and clothing, and every breath pulls some of them into your lungs. Once plastic is in your blood, it doesn't stay there. It travels. Your body has almost no way to break these particles down. Unlike food, plastic doesn't digest, and unlike most toxins, your liver has no real process for filtering it out. So instead, it just accumulates, migrating through your bloodstream until it lodges somewhere and stays. Researchers have now found microplastics in human blood, lungs, liver, testes, the placenta of unborn babies, and inside, blocked arteries pulled out during surgery. Patients with plastic found in their neck arteries were more than 4 times as likely to have a heart attack or stroke within 3 years. Compared to patients with clean arteries, this isn't a future risk. It's already inside people, right now in operating rooms. And it's getting worse, fast. The same researchers compared brain samples from 2016 to samples from 2024. In just 8 years, the plastic concentration in human brain tissue rose by about 50%. Global plastic production has roughly doubled since the year 2000, and your body has been absorbing a share of every bit of it. So no, you can't simply choose not to participate. There is no clean version of modern life to opt into. The plastic is in the rain, the salt, the fish, the air over the ocean. What you can control is the margin. Filtering your water, avoiding plastic containers in the microwave, cutting down on packaged food. Each one shaves a little off the total your body has to carry. But the deeper point isn't about one water bottle or one habit. It's this. The material we invented 70 years ago to make life more convenient is now a permanent, measurable part of your own brain tissue. You're not just living on a planet with a plastic problem. You're made of it, a little more, every single year. A few everyday sources make up more of this than people expect. A single plastic tea bag, steeped for a few minutes at brewing temperature, can shed over 10 billion microscopic plastic particles into your cup. Every wash cycle for synthetic clothing releases hundreds of thousands of tiny plastic fibers into the wastewater system, and treatment plants are not built to catch all of them. Heating food in a plastic container in the microwave can release millions of particles directly into the meal you're about to eat. None of these sources look dangerous. They look like an ordinary Tuesday. Scientists still don't fully know what this is doing to us long term, because humanity has never run this experiment before. We are the first generation with plastic in our brains from birth, and the answer to what that means is still being written one study at a time. That's the real punchline hiding underneath all of this. We used to ask what plastic would do to the planet. The real question, sitting quietly inside your own skull right now, is what it's already done to you.